My experience this weekend was wonderful. Different than any other investment seminar I've been to. It was precise, it was really detailed, it gave pertinent information for the local market, which no other investment seminar out there has ever done that, and it caters to what we're doing in this city.
The experience was phenomenal, life-changing, you know, give me a position, really make a decision on which way I want to go. Just an amazing event.
Yeah, I came in not really knowing exactly how I should focus my time and what method would be good for me to really concentrate on. And I think that this two-day seminar has really helped me kind of figure out what I'm going to try and laser focus on now.
Had a great time, very, very educational. I've done several houses myself, did one down the city, didn't lose any money, but I definitely learned how I could have made a lot more. The education is phenomenal. I've always said you either learn through the school of hard knocks or from somebody else's mistakes. When you got experts up there helping you, you learn from their mistakes and not through your pocketbook.
It was great. The teachers were comical, they made you relax. There was never a stupid question, and I know I asked a couple dumb questions, but it was just a wonderful time.
You know what, my biggest aha moment I say was when I realized, you know what, I can be that guy that's up there teaching. You know, the information that came out to give me the confidence to purchase properties and also learn how to talk to people. I mean, that's what it really is all about. Once I get the deal, you know, talking to the people and making sure the deal goes through, that probably was my aha moment.
And some of the things we talked about with marketing, I'm like, oh, I could totally implement these systems and kind of have things running and on autopilot a little bit, and I can check in on them, and that will totally fit in with my life. So that's what I'm kind of taking with.
Learn from somebody else's mistakes, and you don't have to have $100,000 to get started. You can do it on minimal, and you can find money, and you got to have motivation, and the teachers will help you find all that.
It's kind of nice because I've met a lot of people here, and I can probably call a couple people if I need advice. And, you know, contacts and networking, it's kind of priceless. So
I would recommend there's no way not to come to this event. There's so many educated people that provided information. It was almost information overload, but it was so precise and detailed. All you had to do was take notes and you're ready to go.
Oh, absolutely. Anybody that's thinking of just kind of contemplating about getting into real estate, definitely you need to be here.